Hey, I'm Jake and I'm with IQ Reseller. IQ Reseller, we are an ERP platform. And I guess to answer the question, why would you care about IQ Reseller, what makes us unique? IQ Reseller is specifically made for people in the IT reselling industry. So one of the best ways I can describe that difference is the inventory in IQ Reseller, it's completely individualized. Every single asset that comes through has its own identification. You can change part number, you can change condition code. There's the ability to track attributes and basically record anything you need to record about any single asset. In the IT world, especially when you're refurbishing, it's not uncommon to have many different conditions or to refurbish something, to bring it from like an as-is untested to tested or to non-working to working. So we've got abilities to do that, part removal, part add, break systems down into parts, build systems up from parts or to build kits, as well as do ITAD processing. And we do all those things right out of the box, and that's kind of what makes IQ Reseller unique. Something that, if you're familiar with IQ Reseller and you haven't heard about us in a while, something we've added in the last year is we now do credit card processing. We were recently acquired by a company called Full Steam, and they are a credit card processing company. So now we have the ability to process your credit cards right inside the software, or to have a link right inside the invoice where your clients can click on the link, save their own credit cards on file, and have them completely tokenized. It's 100% PCI compliant. And what's really great about it is, even though it's built into the software, we're still 100% cheaper than QuickBooks or any other built-in credit card processing. In addition to that, since all of our customers are doing large transactions, we don't have any kind of a limitation on the size of transactions. Last week alone, I had a customer that did a $175,000 sale, and that was all processed through a credit card. So you can do that. Something I'm learning about the industry is many other companies will require a huge deposit in order to do large transactions. We don't do that, and you get your money within 24 hours. So functionally, if you're using IQ Reseller and you're processing credit cards, it's like you have a built-in line of credit now. So for those brokers that are looking to source a lot of material, they can get the sale order from their client, process their card. The next day, they have the money in their bank account to go and source those things. So you can basically use your credit card processing as a line of credit. So other than that, things that are new in there is we've added things like client portals and ITAD processing, if people didn't know we had that already. And we also built integrations to phone check, and we're going in the mobile industry as well. In fact, that's probably our biggest growth area at the moment, is in the mobile industry. But other than that, you can find us on iqreseller.com/demo, where you can book a demo with me, or if you can scan the QR code. I don't know if that'll still be there, but you can scan the QR code and that'll book a demo with me, and you can learn more about it that way.